Hello guys, in this video, I'm going to show you real estate ads. What and what do you need to run real estate, to run a profitable real estate ads? You see, actually, it's just knowledge based. It is knowledge based. So I'm going to take you through my slides and you see how you can start running real estate what adverts. Okay, using Facebook as your source of traffic. Okay, real estate is very interesting industry to be. If you are interested in it, you can invest and you see how you'll be growing in the business. But see, it's all about having the right knowledge and the right mindset. Okay, those days, the way they sell real estate properties, you join group, you join association, yeah, it's still effective today. Okay, but thank God for the social media platform. You have the privilege to reach out to as many people as possible. The truth is this: if you are into the real estate business, you sell properties, either landed properties or built properties, you have what opportunity to blow, okay, using the power of social media. You can generate traffic through organic means or through paid ads. Okay, you need the two of them. Okay, but if you ask me which one is better, well, it depends on you. But I would prefer let your money suffer for you. I will choose the paid advertising, but I won't deceive you. You still need the two of them. As you are doing your paid advertising, you can still be, get your Facebook page prepared, your real estate Facebook page prepared. Then equip it with content because that will help people to know you, like you, and trust you, give value. Okay, but in this video, I'm going to show you how you can, of course, what and what you need to run a real estate, okay, ads using Facebook as your platform. Okay, the truth is this: you need quality leads. Okay, you need quality leads. It's a game of number. Okay, you need to generate quality leads, and it is that the percentage of that quality leads that will buy your products. There are three core pillars of success for real estate ads on Facebook. One, campaign objective, your targeting, and your ads. Okay, your campaign objective is like you are telling Facebook, this is what I want to achieve. Please, this is what you are instructing Facebook that you want, this is your goal. And normally, for me, I use leads generation. Okay, then targeting, who do you want Facebook to show the advert to on its what platform? You want Facebook to show users on its platform. Who are these users? Okay, I have like categories of people that you can target on Facebook. For instance, let me just give one or two. I have so many. Okay, let me just give you one or two. There are people that want to leave legacy for their children. They are old. Okay, they have the money. Okay, but they just feel that let me secure the future of my children. Okay, you can target these people. Okay, not only that, you can also target young men that just, they just wedded and they feel, I want to invest because real estate is a real leveler. Okay, it will really help you. Okay, instead of keeping that money in the bank and inflation will just take away all your interest, the low interest, inflation will just take it away. Looking at the current situation of the world, not only Nigeria. Okay, the global recession, and the particular situation in this country, then it is time for you to start thinking of investing in real estate. Then the ads. How do you run your ad? Okay, how do you craft your ad? When you talk about the ad, I'm talking about your ad copy, your creative. Your creative could be image or video. Then you're talking about the headline, your call to action, okay, and the link that will take them to your website, depending on your funnel, or direct them to WhatsApp. You must have a funnel to start with. So, a successful real estate Facebook ads, okay, has three core pillars of success: your campaign objective, targeting, and your ad. Okay, so there's a funnel I use. Okay, there are different funnels, okay, that you can use for me. I have a traffic source. Facebook could be Facebook, YouTube, Google. It could be LinkedIn. Okay, depending on your audience or sophistication, your audience classification, depending on who do you want to target. Okay, then I direct traffic to sales page. My sales page is where they will know everything about products. Okay, I have this product and this product can do blah blah blah. Actually, your sales page should be benefit driven. Tell us about the product, the landmarks. Okay, because landmarks are what are really sales points. Okay, yeah, what you can use to sell your property. So tell us about the landmarks, okay, and other future benefits of the property. Is it smart property, smart city, and all that? Then direct them to intent page. From intent page, that's when you now qualify people coming in. Follow up is very important. Then from there, you after intent page, you take them to the thank you page so that you can track your events. Okay, so this is what I use, and can depending on you, you can always be creative about your strategy. Okay, building your pages, most important pages you need to set up to generate sales in real estate. One, the focus is to build a simple web page that helps you to sell properties. Okay, that's just the focus. Simple web pages that will help you to sell, to achieve your goal. You have a goal in mind, you need to sell properties. Okay, so you need simple web pages to build your what properties. Then now we have sales page, intent page, thank you page, and legal documents. The legal document we are talking about the privacy policy, terms and conditions. We have disclaimer, contact us. Then this page is not part of Facebook, of course. You need to put it there. Okay, so let's go. So this is like, what does the sales page do? That is where you tell us about everything we need to know about the products, the landed property. Okay, if you are giving offer, let us know. If you are giving bonus, let us know. Okay, so it's very important. Then talk about the property, the value, and the benefits, and what are the components, the headline, the video, the why. Okay, location, landmark, return on investment, title document, picture of the ongoing project, your offer. There's the incentive you give them to make them to look foolish for not getting the offer. Frequently ask questions to address the objections of the people, whosoever your clients, your to-be clients, call to action, then compelling reason to buy now. Okay, that's the urgency. The price may increase in 2 weeks' time. Okay, so that's how we roll. Okay, so if you're interested in selling real estate property and you want to use ads, okay, you will need this. Watch this video. Okay, as you're watching this video, make sure that you smash the notification bell, and also subscribe, because this is just about 573 subscribers. I want to get to 1,000 so I can do more. Okay, the only way you can encourage me is to ensure that you subscribe to this channel, so that whenever I have valuable video quality, valuable videos like this, you will the first you one of the first persons what to be notified. Okay, and also share it. You can share it with your friends and your colleagues in the office. Okay, then if you have any question, you can always drop it in the comment section or reach out to me on WhatsApp. Now, this is the practical session which is discussing my course. Okay, so you can see how it is, how you can run at the basic things you need. The intent page is where you now qualify the people that saw your adverts and they went to your sales page, and from your sales page they looked at your intent page. They love what they saw. Okay, they now move to your intent page. From the intent page, they will now fill a form, and that's when you now ask them qualifying questions. Okay, qualifying questions. But these questions, once they go through it, the question will now make you to know that actually this person can be called, this person can be followed up. Okay, because from the intent page, you can track them, you can, get their details, and you follow up using SMS marketing, WhatsApp marketing, email marketing, sometimes strategic calls. maybe inviting them for site inspection. And once they come for site inspection, it's time for you to close. And how do you do the closing? What is what is in need for them. Okay, always look at, come from the point of a consultant and see an advisor, okay, an investor, someone that would tell them about how they can invest their money, not like you focusing on your commission. No, just be selfless and tell them about the benefit of investing in that property. Okay, and you'll be surprised, you'll be amazed that wow, instead of keeping my money in the bank, I can bring in this money, invest this money here, and before the end of the year, oh, you start seeing what results. Okay, if they wish to sell, because in real estate we go for high. There is capital gain, there is cash flow, and there is appreciation. Okay, because the landed property appreciate depending on location. So once you as an realtor, you know what you see, you are aware of these facts, then you are good to go. You can sell. Okay, and for me, I am in Ibadan and I sell properties in Ibadan, confirm, verified properties and landed properties in Ibadan. So you can always reach out to me and I will help you get landed properties. Okay, so if you're interested in running Facebook ads, maybe you want to use Facebook platform to reach out to your client, you can always get in touch with me. I will help you run ads that will give you quality leads. Okay, maybe you want to, even if you're interested in mentorship program, I can hold you by the end and teach you how you can run Facebook ads for real estate words products. Okay, or you want to buy the course, you can always reach out to me on WhatsApp and you see your life is better for it. Don't forget to like and smash the notification button and subscribe to this channel because I talk about sales, marketing, and advertising. Sales, marketing, advertising, real estate, and sometimes I go motivational. So I will see you in my next video. Oh, I didn't even tell you about my name. Oh, sorry for that. I'm Moses Daramola, and I love you. Just ensure that you share this video. See you in my next video. Bye for now.